Yes, still talking about the valves of the heart. The fourth type of valve is the aortic valve. Aortic valve. We have spoken about pulmonary valve. Then we have the aortic valve. The aortic valve is between the left ventricle and the aorta, which is the main artery. The function of the two valves, the pulmonary valve and the aortic valve, is also to prevent backflow of blood from the vessels to the heart. They only allow blood to move from the heart to the vessels, but they prevent blood from returning from the vessels back into the heart. I want you to know something also, that the pulmonary valve and the aortic valve can also be referred to as semilunar valves. Semilunar valves. Now, let's talk about the muscles of the heart. The heart is made up of the cardiac muscle, and one thing I want you to note here is the thickness of the muscle. Now, the heart we're looking at here now is a sectioned heart. It has been cut longitudinally so that we'll see the size of the muscle. All right, now we have the septum, then we have the wall of the left chamber of the heart, then you see the wall of the right chamber of the heart. You will notice that the left chamber is thicker than the right chamber. The reason is because the pressure that is needed to move blood from the heart to all parts of the body is higher than the pressure needed to move blood from here to the lungs. Blood leaves the right ventricle to the lungs when the heart contracts, and blood leaves the left ventricle to all parts of the body when the heart contracts. So the difference in the thickness is because of the force that is needed to move the blood to their destination. To their destination. Blood from the left ventricle will need a lot of force, a lot of pressure to move from the heart to all parts of the body and back to the heart. That is why this side of the heart is thicker than this side of the heart. I want you also to notice something. You will see, well, this is a diagram. You see some lines here. These lines represent what we call the chordae tendineae. They serve to hold the valves in place. Chordae tendineae hold the valve in place. They are non-elastic. They ensure that the valves don't move in, so that the valves can prevent backflow of blood from the ventricles to the auricles. I will wait for your questions now.